Did you dream about your ex? Know 5 possible meanings. Some dreams make us never want to wake up, but there are others that seem like nightmares. For example, dreaming about your ex, especially if the end of that relationship was full of drama. And that kind of dreams can make you believe many times that the feelings you thought forgotten have been reborn, but quiet, that is not true, and we will explain. 1. Dreaming that he visits you. This type of dream means that you have discovered that a person in your environment resembles your ex-partner. 2. Dreaming that you get back together. Having these kinds of dreams does not mean that you want to go back with him, it really means that your current relationship will go through a big change and this will be positive. 3. Dreaming that you find him. That means that you want to feel again what you felt that time you met him, or that you think that until now nobody has managed to make you feel something similar. 4. Gives you advice on your dreams. If that has happened to you, your mind is telling you not to make the same mistakes again. 5. In your dreams, he dies. If you have that kind of dreams, it does not mean that you want that to happen. In reality, your mind is telling you to let that person go and change the page. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.